How to add multiple pictures to Instagram stories. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add multiple pictures to a single Insta story. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is opening up your Instagram. And after you open up your Instagram, simply head over to your stories. Now after you're on your stories, you can simply take a picture. And after you take a picture, now you will need to add different stories. For that, you can simply choose this sticker. Now there you should find an option called photo. It's right here. Tap on it and choose your photo. So choose whichever photos you want and you can keep on doing that. And with this way, you can add multiple stories. Now, if you want to add a good looking background with a different color, you can even use the draw feature to add a color like this. And yeah, you can just increase the size of this and paint it everywhere like this. You can even add different designs and stuff like that. And now tap on your story to add this to your story. And that is how you add multiple pictures to your Instagram stories. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.